Hi viewer, I am welcoming you to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about my pocket knife that I bought online. Disclaimer, I don't know if this is original or duplicate. For the price I will say on end of this video. First of all, let's talk about the design of this pocket knife. This pocket knife are separated by the holder or body itself on the blade. This part, the body and the blade feel absolutely sturdy and feels very solid in my hand. I mean, it's like very solid. Yeah, it's very sturdy also. For the let me close this blade first. For the holding area, do have some design, you see here, and feel some texture from the design. If you see here, there are some lines, there are marks. There's a written here, designed by Ray Cutlery Handcraft in USA. And for the front part, there is T6 screw on the body and star screw or Torx. Not sure if my pronunciation are right or wrong. You can fully dismantle it if you want to clear it thoroughly, if you make it dirty with dirt or oil, something like that. At front, have 3 T6 screw and 1 star screw, and on the holder written here black sable, and as I said earlier, there is written on designed by Ray Cutlery Handcraft in USA. And at the back of the holder we get T6 screw as well, 5 of it, 1 2 3 4 5, yeah, 2 for the here, 1 2 3 4 5 6, yeah, 3 for the body and 3 for the holder, and 1 star screw at the back as well. Once you open the blade, automatically the lock located below lock the blade perfectly, like you don't feel like it's going to bend or close. And so I would say the safety check is passed. And comes to the blade, these point edges I would say is very sharp, but the below part, I mean the cutting area, the blade area, not so sharp from out of the box. For your information, I not yet sharpen it. Yeah, it's like out of it. I would say it's not the sharpest, it's not even one of the sharpest knife. And at the top of the blade you do get some dents for you to hold when you're cutting anything. Like you can put your finger like this, your pointing finger or your thumb, so that you get some grip or some area for you to make it hold tight. Let me show if it can pass the box cutting or not, I mean the tape or not. Okay, but you need to sharpen it. And advantages of this knife are it's super sturdy and it's well designed. and you do get a clip to hold at your pants, and this blade, it won't get easily rusted or bent. And the main is it's got a safety lock, as I said. And as I said, disadvantages are the blade are not so sharp. Of course, you can sharpen it by yourself by using a knife sharpener, and the knife do feel little heavy. If you wear a sweatpants, you may avoid carry this pocket knife. And to be honest, if you sharpen this blade, you can use to cut wood, go for camping, or even you can get some fire from the rocks, and cut cables if requires. This knife can be used very roughly, and the patina you will get, maybe the color will, maybe this area will get some scratches, maybe the blade part will have some scratches. Yeah. Okay, the price of this knife around, I bought from Malaysian ringgit 25 to 30 ringgit, and if converted to USD is around 6 USD. And you can buy this on two sizes, which are S and M sizes. The one I'm holding are M size. The body size are 12 cm, and the knife length are 8.5 cm, and if it's fully open, it's around 12, yeah, it's around 20 centimeter. And conclusion, the pocket knife can be used for very long term. Yeah, you can use it thoroughly. You can keep inside your pocket without much bulk. Once, yeah, you just can throw on your front pocket or your back pocket, or maybe your backpack or sling bag. Yeah, so that's all for my video. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe if it will be very helpful for me, and do like this video. See you on upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye.